First up, this little guy stranded on a collapsing roof. The water is high, but the rescuer wades right through. No hesitation, just pure heart. He snatches the dog right up. Seriously wholesome, but the mission continues. Look at these 3 dogs huddled together. The team is dedicated. It's a race to get them all off the roof and out of the danger zone. Another rescuer is literally swimming through the floodwaters, cradling a tiny dog. This is next-level dedication. Every dog is being treated like family, and that's the energy we need. Huge respect to these incredible rescue teams. They are the real MVPs. Drop a paw prints emoji in the comments and share this video to celebrate their amazing work.